Let me teach you Python variables in 100 seconds. Variables are containers for storing data. Think of it like a label box that holds a value. They let us store information once and reuse it anywhere in our program. Variables are created by declaring them. To declare a variable, write a name for it, followed by space and equals, then space again, followed by a value. This is now holding that value. You can change a variable by assigning a new value to the same name. The values can be many different types. For example, a whole number, which is called an integer in programming, or a string, which means text. Integers and strings are two examples of data types. Python is dynamically typed, which means you don't have to declare the data type. Python figures it out for you. You are allowed to change variable data types in Python. This means that this variable holding an integer here can be made to hold a string over here without throwing any errors. But if you want to be specific about types, you can cast using these functions. Casting is the act of explicitly converting a value from one data type to another for those times you need certainty. It is possible to store multiple variables in a single variable by using a list. You should know that variable names are case sensitive. Big X and little x are not the same variable. And if you'd like to learn Python faster than anywhere else while still having a good time, then check out my Speedy Python Fast Track course linked in the video description.